Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Honda Odyssey Touring. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. And as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well, so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing the videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows, the roof rack. It's going to have the backup camera, the backup sensors. This is a Touring, so it's going to be loaded leather. DVD player, all of those things. Let's get down here on tire size here in just a moment. Down here on tire size. Hopefully that helps. Fog lights, sunroof. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Let's unlock this guy. Alright. Got the rolled leather, power windows, power locks, power memory seats. Let's get the condition of the leather here. Captain's chairs. I don't see any rips, tears, or stains. Passenger seat here. Get the middle seat here. Now this is the bench, middle bench seat. Now versus it being the captain's chairs, a lot of folks are looking for this extra seat in a minivan for obvious reasons. Seat more. DVD player up there. All the goodies. Alright, let's the third row here for you. And those do fold down flat in the very back, so if you need that storage space back there, you got it. Alright, let's get some features up front here. Pedal adjusters, power windows, power locks. The steering wheel controls here, the Bluetooth, all of that. The media center with the navigation, all of that there. Sorry for the glare, the sun's really not my friend when I'm doing these video walk-arounds. But as you can see, stock stereo, DVD player, heated seats. The whole nine. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood if I can find the latch here. There we go. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time, far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this in here the best I can. There isn't much to see with the engine cover, but all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau or Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. The doors are open, yes they are. How can we get to the mileage? Okay. There's the Navi there. Is that gonna help? Just close the doors, hopefully. Oops. Okay. So there's mileage there. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Well, as you can hear. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear it hum along here. As you can see and hear, purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video, walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. Want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. See you next time.